Welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. Let's make this creative letter poster design. Add a gray gradient in the background. Go to Type Tool and Font will be Impact for color. Follow the steps and write your text. You can download the image and font from the link in description. Bring the image, resize it. Clip the image into the text layer. Go to FX and Inner Shadow. Follow the settings. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl-J. Lower the opacity and select the pen tool and make a selection like this. I am speeding up the selection process. Bring the opacity back and press Ctrl and hit Enter to create selection. Now create a layer mask. Go to FX and drop shadow. Follow the process. See you soon with another cool tutorial.